Hello everyone, if you are looking for the ultimate quick, creamy and delicious weeknight dinner, this is it. Today we are making an incredible chicken avocado pasta that tastes like absolute luxury but comes together in minutes. Let's get straight into it. If you enjoy recipes like this one, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps us grow. Now, to kick things off, we are getting our aromatic base ready by peeling some fresh garlic cloves, making sure to get off all that papery skin so they are completely clean and ready to release all that incredible aroma. We are using a garlic presser here, so the garlic releases all its flavor to be added into the sauce later in the video. Next, grab a vibrant red bell pepper. We are going to give this a clean chop into bite-sized pieces. This is going to add a beautiful crunch and pop of color to our final sauce. To bring a touch of natural sweetness to the dish, we are opening up a can of sweet corn. Drain it completely and decant it into a small bowl so it's ready to toss into the pan later on. Chop some basil leaves, set them aside. And now for the star of the show, the avocados. You want them perfectly ripe so they yield a rich velvet texture. Slice them right down the middle. Pop out the seed and scoop that gorgeous green goodness straight into a clean dish. Avocados are full of vitamins, mineral and fiber, and high in healthy unsaturated fats. To keep our sauce bright and preventing it from oxidizing, roll out a lemon to loosen up those juices. Slice it up and squeeze it fresh. Now that our ingredients are prepared, it's time to make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the blender, the lemon juice, followed up by a 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes, and also 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add some salt to taste and the garlic we crushed earlier. Also the basil leaves that were chopped and put aside. Put the lid on and let's make that beautiful sauce. Make sure everything mixes well without getting stuck. Pour in 1/2 cup of water to thin the sauce up. This is the secret to getting that flawless restaurant quality creaminess. Look at that sauce. While our sauce sits ready, let's get some boiling water going in a saucepan. Add a splash of olive oil and a pinch of salt before dropping your pasta to cook until it's perfectly al dente. In a hot frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and drop in your diced chicken. Season it generously with 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs and giving a good stir to coat every single piece. Let that chicken sear beautifully to lock in all the juices. Next we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of green basil pesto. Stir that right into the chicken until it's entirely coated. Now toss in your chopped red bell peppers and that sweet corn. Stir everything together, letting those vegetables tenderize while soaking up all those incredible pan juices. Now that the pasta is cooked, it's time to drain it. Using a colander, drain all the excess water. The chicken is now cooked and now it's time to layer the pasta onto your serving plate. Top it with that savory, perfectly seasoned chicken mixture and then pour over our vibrant, creamy avocado sauce that we made it earlier. Add the basil leaf on top for color and finish it all off with a generous grating of Grana Padano cheese. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more weekly recipes with Cooking with the Darlings. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.